Yo, what is up, guys? Back with another video. Out here doing the same thing I was in our last video. Casting the bait caster around. If you haven't watched the other video, then I'll tell y'all what this combo is in a couple of minutes, but not right now, because I got other stuff to talk about. Alright, so we might be going to my grandma's house. So my mom said, I asked her, could we do a $15? Could we do a $15 versus $25 Walmart challenge? 1v1 against my stepbrother? She said, I don't know. So I think that might be, it could be a yes, I don't know. But like, to make it happen, we got to get this video to 25 likes, or maybe 10. Let's go get this video to 10 likes and we'll do it. Or we'll try to do it. 10 likes, that's all it takes. But I'm casting the same lure I was casting the first time. It's crankbait, no hooks. And I forgot to tell you what was that? Something just went off right over there somewhere. I don't know. But this reel is a Pro Max Abu Garcia. Rod is an Abu Garcia. And the rod is called Blue Max Next Generation. And here's the things for it. Alright. And today I have 12 pound tests on here. Little man ain't here. He had to go somewhere. I forget, but I was just coming out here today just to tell y'all we might do a 1v1 challenge, $10 Walmart challenge, or $15 or $25 on that. And in my TikTok cart, I have one bait casting combo and one mic, one of them little mics in the TikTok shop, a mic, and then I have two waterproof cameras, and 2 tripods. And I'm looking for somebody who knows how to edit videos, because my editor is across the country right now. So look at the bend in this rod. See if we can't walk over there and get off. Like, I've been wanting to do a challenge for a long time, but ain't never had enough, whatever you call it, to do it. So I've been waiting for Christmas. So when I get some money, then me and my stepbrother can do a fishing challenge. Like, however much money we get. I'm I want to go to Dunham's. So I've been thinking about getting a boat. So it's like this $250 boat that I saw on Facebook Marketplace, and it has one crack in it, and there's another place in it that has some rust on it. But if I can get up to $250 by the end of next year, or heck, not even that. Probably like Christmas time. I can have like 250, and I can, cause I've been watching these videos on YouTube, and there's all these people that have these boats and stuff. They go and buy John boats off of Facebook Marketplace, and then after they buy some John boats off of Facebook Marketplace, they'll build some decks on them. Build like a deck on them, and that's what I've been wanting to do. But like, you know what I'm saying? I need to get more money. I ain't got all the money like all these other YouTubers. Dude, they got like all the cash. And there's some people across the street over there. They're like way down there. And I asked them if we could fish their pond. And they were like, no, that's more of like if you get bit by a snake, then it'd be our fault. So I can't let you fish there because it would be our fault. So I was like, okay, just asking. And then there's this pond back over that way, like way down there, like a 2-mile walk. I've been to it one time, and I've duck hunted there one time. We had two woodies, and when I went down there and fished, I didn't catch anything. It was like cold, and it was really high, so I was in my waders trying to walk to a tree that whenever we duck hunted. Like, it was super high. It was probably to my waist. Some people are gonna say that ain't that high, because I'm only like 4'8". And I have a 3-foot rod. So hopefully when I get my boat, well, if I get a boat, then I can, hold on. When I get my boat, I'm gonna build the deck and everything, and I'm gonna keep y'all, I'm gonna like have my tripod and camera and stuff. So I'm gonna like set y'all on the boat as I'm building it and stuff like that. If I even get the boat. So hopefully I can get the boat, and then I get the boat, and we usually go to the river like a ton of times. So probably gonna go to the river, and I'm probably I ain't about to. Ooh, that's a bad backlash, guys. Oh, I'm probably just gonna, I don't even know anymore. I have a little creek rod, and if we don't reach the 10 like goal on this video, we're still gonna have another challenge, because we traded like a lot of stuff, and when we traded, we said to each other we should make we had a little talk in our office or bedroom, and we said we should make a video on we should make a video on like us having a challenge of using the lures and stuff like that. If we don't reach the 10 like goal, we'll make a video about that at my grandma's. So it's up to y'all to reach the 10 like goal, guys. So all I was doing was coming out here and just talking today, like I did last time, because giving y'all updates on what we might do with this channel. It's just gonna be maybe just a fishing channel, and depending on how it goes, when I'm like I'm 12 right now, so depending on how it goes when I turn like 14, if I ain't got no money, I'm probably just gonna quit and do my other stuff, like welding, go to college, then weld if I turn 14 and it's not going to be able. Because if I turn 14 and I actually have some cash, we can go to Cabela's and maybe get my dream reel, a Shimano or a Curado CB, something like that. I don't really know. I ain't been looking. But my favorite YouTubers are Kicking the Bass TV and Lojo. And y'all need to check out kickingthebasstv.com and get one of his lose combo to help out his channel. But yeah. Sorry guys, I'm trying to fix this. This is $8.99 off of Amazon, and it keeps coming undone. But yeah, so reach the 10 like goal, maybe get a boat. I'll put as a thumbnail, I'll put a picture of the boat as the thumbnail. And yeah, like and subscribe. 10 like goal. Let's get to 10. All right. Like and subscribe and turn on all notifications.